Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and fix your Instagram Reels lag right there in your mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, go ahead, go to Play Store and check if your app is updated or not, because that is one of the reason, guys. Go to search Instagram. As you can see, it's updated here in my mobile phone. Go ahead, update your app if it asks for update right there instead of open. Then you will go to your settings once again, and then you will find this option called apps over here. Find the designated app that we have a problem with. So here Instagram, right? Go to Instagram, tap on this option called storage right over here. Find this clear cache option. Go ahead, tap on this clear cache option if you are comfortable with clear data. Once do that as well, you will have to relog into your Instagram and you will again use it. Other than that, go ahead, simply clear cache from there and check your network connection as well, because if your network connection is not good, you might be able to get that kind of problem. It's on and off in between. If you're getting problem with the Wi-Fi, go ahead, switch to your data instead. Once you're done, go ahead, open your Instagram and check if it's working out pretty well or not. And if it's still not working well, what you can do, go ahead and reinstall your app from over here. So yes guys, this is the way you can solve that problem. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.